Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can possibly get Lord Vader in Star Wars Galaxy of Heroes. So let's get right into it. Lord Vader is one of the heroes which you can get. Of course, I am talking about Darth Vader. And first, let me explain what heroes are. Heroes are characters of which you can make teams, which you then send into battles, since this is a team-based and turn-based battle game. And Vader is one of the legendary heroes which you can get. Now, to actually unlock him, if I go into my collection over here, you will see that I need character shards, 80 of them to be exact. This is Darth Vader, as you can see here. I don't think that Lord Vader is a different one. I haven't gone through every character here. However, yeah, let's say that is Lord Vader. I think it is. I need 80 character shards. I have 2. Now, the question is, how do you get those character shards? First of all, you can get them through doing dark side battles, which I don't have unlocked since I'm not level 12 and I do not want to grind up that much before recording this. But yeah. Once you complete 5 or 6, however many battles there are in a stage, as you can see here, here there are 6. Once you complete all of them, you can unlock the hard versions. And once you complete each of them for the first time in the hard version, you will get a character shard guaranteed. Now, for each attempt after that, you might get a character shard. There is a chance, however, it is slimmer. And if you want to farm it quickly, you can go to levels that you have completed in 3-star rating and do the multi-sim, which will automatically complete the level again and help you farm even quicker. But yeah, just experiment around. I think you can also get the character shards through data cards and chromium data packs and data cards. So yeah, just keep experimenting with that. You can also check the cantina tables and the arena tables. I think that you might even get his character shards there. However, it's just a trial and error. It is random chance, as are all EA games. So just experiment and you should get him sooner or later. But yeah, that's been it, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.